Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've got some money sitting in your PayPal account and you're wondering how to get it onto your debit or credit card in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. It's super secure, so double check that it's you accessing it. Step 1. Once you're in, head over to your PayPal wallet. You can find this by clicking on the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and selecting Wallet or Balance. Here, you'll see your available funds. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Money option. In 2025, PayPal has made this more prominent with a dedicated button. Click on that. You'll then be prompted to choose where you want to send the money. Select your linked card from the list. If your card isn't linked yet, don't worry. There's an easy option to add it right there. Just enter your card details, and PayPal will verify it quickly. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any fees. PayPal might charge a small one depending on your location and the card type, so check that before proceeding. Step 4. Review the details on the next screen. This includes the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Funds usually hit your card within 1 to 3 business days, but it can be instant in some cases. Step 5. Hit Confirm or Transfer Now. You'll get a confirmation email and a notification in the app. And just like that, your money is on its way. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, as PayPal's rates are competitive in 2025. Also, ensure your card is from a supported bank to avoid any issues. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your card is straightforward and hassle-free. If you run into any problems, PayPal's help center is packed with resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.